Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Rakkam Sang Maha Kakhandru Terik Naitung ula ong baka Sorkar jala ka Shimkhia kilat kilinti ban penduna ke jingpep skul shiteng por ki kena. Ha ka bakren syaki nong thok kubor usang ma ula ong menteri rang ba ula bishar bnia ke jinglong jingman ka Pulih Putih ha ka jala ha ka tayo bala deb ba ngi Shimkhia kilat kilinti baro ban kentiu ya ka Pulih Putih ha ka jala. Katkum ke jingtip na ka Unified Digital Information on School Education UDISE plus 2021-22 ka Meghalaya kalahyar arsut tam habaro ki kerdan ha ka jingpep school shiteng por. Usang ma ulaong baka Sorkar jala kala shimbun ki sinjam bat ki jingpen trekam ha ka bayday bat ki jingkala ki kot puli ha ki skul bat shna bat penbhaya ki ying skul ha ka leng ka jala bat ki way pat kilat kilinti. Ulaong baka jinghiar arsot kalong ke bakraw habaro ki district jongkari lunggaro. Ulaong baka SSLC pass percentage kalong tang lai punyo persen hakine kisan snem balalej. Ulaong baka deki jingma bat ka bapen Shimkhia mentah. Ngila itu ya ar haduk lai tali ki district ki bomla ban lebha ha ka Pulih ka Putih kumta ngila shim ki sinjam ban penbhaya ka Pulih ka Putih kine ki district. Hapadeng kini Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ulaya thu bala penlong ya ke jingyalang bat ki officer jong ka Meghalaya Board of School Education Embos ban pendon kami ki kot Pulih badan bat ki QR code. Ngi kwa ban wan ra ki kot badan QR code ha ke baman laki mat ki kena kin yo ya ke jinghikai ling ba ki video. Lada ki kena kim lak ban Pulih bhanes ngau thu ha ki school kin lej phai sha ying bat ha ka jaka ka tuition ha ying kin skap bat pe ya ki jinghikai ling ba ki video la ong menteri bat benrap bangidon haduk shipho haduk khat san snem ki question paper baladap jawab jong ka Embos ICSE CBSE JEE NEET kumta ha kene karukom kan yarap shibun ya ki kena Pulih.
Look, Meghalaya was in the last 2 years it was at the bottom. Maybe, and knowing about all this, our state government has taken lots of initiative and intervention, be the change of textbook and the syllabus and the construction of the schools buildings and the renovation of all the school buildings across the state. So all things are in the process, but maybe it is yet to be completed and the things to be considered. So now, yes, we are this. I don't have any official report with me, but it may be true also. But this is the inherited challenge for us. But definitely, government, we are taking all measures to improve the PBA, the PGI, and all this working out and different measures we are in plan to how to bring down the dropout rate in the state. Not thousands schools dropping out. They are not clearing. They are not able to pass the secondary school examination. That's as simple as simple. So some students are scoring 99%. Some are not able to reach up to 30%. There's a huge gap in the learning crisis. So this is happening. So I think all this has to be, we understand, but now basic step has to be taken. So which the state government is committed. Our Honorable Chief Minister has already understood the issues and we have briefed him and he has reviewed and we are taking all measures to bring them off. No, that figure I don't have any, but we have. We have already sent many as teacher from zero enrollment deputed to some other schools also. We are doing all this exercise. It is not possible to send a deputed teacher if there is 5-6 single digits students. So therefore, but if there is zero enrollment, yes, definitely we are deputing them. We are shifting them to some other school. We cannot close. We cannot say it is a closed down school, but we have deputed them. No, for this year, if next academic session, if the students enroll themselves in it, because the particular headmaster will continue to be in charge of that school. No? So if the next year also, if there is no enrollment, yes, this may happen. So all the school, the government now, I think government is not, because all the government LP school have, yeah, true, because in all the government LP school we have sent all the teachers as much as possible. Yes, there's some vacancy right now, so we are sending out at the earliest.